Yan, sawadee ka. Hello mga Kadanius TV. So today I'm gonna tell you a story about Chen Rongyu from the heart of Taiwan in Taipei City. So Chen Rongyu is a 23-year-old university student. So just like any other young people right now, he also loved to play online games because he loved the camaraderie within his virtual friends. So this is actually what happened. So one Tuesday night, he quietly entered into this online gaming cafe, and he actually paid for a long time. I think around 23 hours of gaming. It was very important for him, I think so, for him to do that. So what happened was he played the game and he was enjoying it just like any other young people. And he will just stop for a while to grab some snacks or soda or go to the toilet whatsoever, and 6 hours pass by, 8 hours, 10, 12. So he will just like take a power nap for 15 minutes and then go back to the game. Now the next day, when the clerk make her rounds, so she would just check if everybody is exactly on their time, kung hanggang anong oras lang sila dapat nandoon. And then she saw that Chen is already over his time. So ang ginawa niya, she went there beside Chen, and she gently tapped his shoulder, and then she was shocked. You know why? Because when she tapped Chen's back, he just leaned back with his hands on the gaming position, and she was shocked and she screamed. And then that's the time they called the police over, and they didn't know, of course, hindi naman talaga nila imbestigahan ang medical condition ni Chen. So Chen has actually a medical condition, a heart condition, which he has been taken care of, but of course hindi naman siya agad gagaling, so it's still there. So that most likely, or that's actually what caused his death. He was so invested and he forgot that he has this heart condition na nakalimutan niya na he was just running around that online gaming world. So
ito yung itsura niya nung nakita siya ng shopkeeper after 9 hours of... Wala man lang nakanotice sa kanya doon sa 9 hours na yun na hindi na pala siya gumagalaw. His hands are still in gaming position. So nakakalungkot lang talaga that it can happen. And it happened.
So Chen's story is a quiet warning in our plugged-in world. Even in a room full of people, a person can vanish and go unnoticed. So hindi lamang tayo yon. Alam ko minsan we also feel that way, na pwede na lang tayo mag-vanish at walang makakaalala sa atin. So if we feel that, we know how it feels, let us not pass that on. So if you can just say hi sa ating mga kaibigan, hello, kumusta ka dyan, buhay ka pa ba, humihinga ka pa ba, let's do it. Maybe just a text would save a person's life. Hindi to cliche, pero totoo talaga na mag-send ka lang ng mga encouraging message. Sometimes it's very, very important and life-saving. Hindi natin nalalaman yan unless we do it, okay? And also, alam natin na yung buhay ni Chen, his final moments were not in the chaos of a game, but in the stillness that no one thought to question. Wala man lang tumapik sa kanya nung mga nauna pang mga oras. He could have been saved. Kasi nung nakita siya nung shopkeeper or nung clerk, is tigas na siya, nakaganon na. So wala man lang, hello, hindi ka na gumagalaw dyan, nakaganyan ka na lang, wala eh. So anyways, simpleng kumusta, simpleng hi, simpleng mag-send ka ng Bible verse, simpleng mga ganong pagkakataon, let's do it, okay? Maging lesson sa atin ito. Pwede rin kayong maglagay ng inyong mga favorite verses sa ating comment section. Oh, gusto ko yan. So sabi nga sa Philippians 2 verse 4, let each of you look out not only for his own interest, but also for the interest of others. So that's actually how we are made. It doesn't mean na wag mo nang intindihin yung sarili mo. Meaning, habang iniintindi mo yung sarili mo, you also have to at least consider or look out for each other's interest as well. Ayan, so yan lamang po sa araw na ito, sa oras na ito, and see you soon. Hopefully, we'll be able to get more stories for you and get some learning and reflection from it. So, see you soon. Bye!